Hello guys and welcome back to another video on how to grow. Today we're going to be teaching you how to download the OnlyFans app on your mobile. This process is quite simple, but before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. So to download OnlyFans app, go ahead to your Play Store. Now make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you've done that, on the search box simply type OnlyFans. Then you'll be able to see an app called OFTV. Go ahead and tap on install. According to your internet speed, it might take up to a while, so you're gonna have to wait for a while until OFTV is downloaded. After your OnlyFans application has completed installing, you can see a similar interface to this where you simply click on open and this app will be opened on your device, and this is how you can download the OnlyFans application on your mobile. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.